Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I bring progressions and coordinate geometry. So I have taken many comments from not seeing board clearly. Okay, so I bring here two lights for the boards, so you can see me clearly. Okay, there is no doubt in the board. It is not blurred. You can see. Okay, so no doubt. Okay, now let us go to. Today we will take some more time, 10 to 15 minutes, because these chapters are very long and important. Coordinate geometry is important and as well as progressions. Okay, they can ask many questions from this. So let us go to this chapters. Okay, now first of all we are going to talk about formula of Sn and An with terms. Okay, now see here, Sn means sum of all terms. So okay, sum of all terms. Okay, but first we will learn about An. Okay, An is nothing but nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP is called An, and An formula is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, you know that here D is nothing but common difference. Here D is nothing but common difference, and A here is nothing but first term. A is nothing but first term. Okay, A is nothing but first term, and here An is nothing but nth term, and here n is nothing but number of terms. Clear? So sometimes they have asked that write they in statistics they have given more. In statistics they will give more, write the formula of mode, median, means by subdivision, deviation, anything they will give and explain terms. But sometimes they given here arithmetic progression both An and Sn. That's why I am explaining. If it can came in, if it's come in exam, so you can be with this. Okay, and An and with and don't be confused. An here refers to nth term of an AP. Here n refers to number of term. Suppose 2, 4, 6 is here there. So here last term is what? Suppose 300. So here 300 is nothing but An. Okay, clear? Clear? Last term of an AP, nothing but last term, nth term, last term of AP. Okay, clear? Clear? Now S for sum of all terms. Okay, Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, Sn is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In some any other classes they will told as n by 2 into a plus an. Okay, it is also correct, but how it is came I will tell the correct. So here some genius people they write 2a as a plus n minus 1 into d. So here this a plus n minus 1 into d total term become an. So they write a plus an. Okay, this is also correct. If you write this also, nothing will happen. Here a is nothing but first term. First term, you know. An, you know. What is I wrote here nth term. N by 2 is number of terms. Sn is means sum of all terms. Okay, sum of all terms. Clear? Is anything left there in this? D, if you have written this means you should write D. Okay, clear? 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 Mr. Clear? Mr. Clear, tell me. Okay, now after this completed. Okay, how much time completed from start? How much? 5 minutes. For this we have taken 5 minutes. So let us revise. Okay, here An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An nothing but nth term means last term of an AP, and here a is first term, n is number of terms, and d is common difference. Clear? And it is An formula, Sn sum of all terms. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n by 2 into a plus n. An nothing but here only. A nothing but here only. All here only. Just sum of all terms is here different. Okay, clear? 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 Now going to nth term equal of GP. Okay. This is a very important question and difficult question to many students. Okay, clear? Just tell me formula circular and I will go. Okay. Now see here. Now your nth term of an AP is equal. So I will take from the exercise because they are giving from exercise one question. So I don't know the exactly question. GP question it is. I don't know the exact question, so that's why I'm taking. I'm referring book. Okay. I got the question. Okay. If the geometric progression 162, 54, 18, so on, and 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 have their nth term equal, find value of n. So 162, 54 at 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9. I wrote correct. So 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9, so on. So this is second GP, and this is first GP. So what is GP? Geometric progression. What is the standard formula of geometric progression? An. So here An which is equals to a r power n minus 1. Here n is nothing but number of terms. same. But here R is what? Nothing but in last time what you have learned common difference. Yeah, common ratio. Ratio means dividing. Okay, common ratio. A you know first term. Okay, otherwise he will tell you didn't explain the terms. Okay, clear, clear. They can ask geometric progression also. They can ask disc tree also. Okay, clear. And you know what I told in that. Okay, enter term. Now here see 162, 54, 18. So this is first GP. From first GP, we will find R. What is R? This is A, this is A2, this is A3. R is nothing but A2 by A1. A2 is what? 54. 54 by 162. 54 by 162. What will it give? 54 ones are 54 threes are 1 by 3. Clear? Now in second GP, in first GP what we got here are 1 by 3. In second GP, common ratio is A2 by A1. A2, A3. Now here A2 is what? 2 by 27 by 2 by 81. 2 cancel. 27 by 81. So 1s are 3s are. Clear? So here it will go up and it will be 3. Clear? Clear, clear? Clear, clear? This is 3. So here we got R equals to 3 here R, and their nth term are equal. So means this nth term is equal to this nth term. So first GP nth term. So A n equal to A R power n minus 1. A is what? Nothing but 162. So here I will write A n1 an1 sorry a1 r power n1 minus 1 r1 minus equals to a2 r2 n2 minus 1. Clear? Means first progression, second progression, their nth term are equal. So here a1 is nothing but 162 into 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1, which is equals to a2. Here a2 means nothing but a1 of a2. A1 of a2. Don't confuse this. I wrote for explanation. Okay, don't write this in exam. Their nth term are equal. Then write this. Okay, so here a is nothing but 2 by 81. 2 by 81 into 3 power n minus 1. Clear? This 3 power n minus 1 is in divide. It will go here and it will be what it will be? It will be multiplied. So 162 into 2 by 81, which is equals to 3 power n minus 1 into 3 power n minus 1. Okay. Now here this is this will be reciprocal. If it will come here, it will be reciprocal. So it is 81 by 2. So this is 2 ones are 2, 81s are. So 81 into 81. 81 into 81, which is equals to a power m into a power m plus n. So n plus n minus 1 plus 1. 3 to the power of 2n, which is equals to 3 to the power of 1 equal to, you will write 81 into 81 m into a power m plus n. 3 power 8 equals to 3 power 2n. When bases are equal, power should be equate. 2n equals to 8, n equals to 4. This is the answer. Okay. Wait. 1 minute. N minus 1 plus n minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 2n minus 2. So here 2n minus 2. So 2n minus 2 means 2n minus 2. So when bases are equal, power should be equal. 2n minus 2, which is equals to 8. 2n equals to, this will go here 10. N equals to 5. So their fifth term is equal. Okay, fifth term is equal. Like this you should do. Okay, for this it takes so much time. See here, 7 minutes for this question. Okay, so nothing but you got this question answer. Did you understand me? It will be okay. Now see here, 162, 54, 18, first GP, second GP, both we have find common difference, common ratio. Sorry. After that, both nth term are equal. So we equate. Just here 162 into here we do what will the calculation? Just we got answer. Okay. If you didn't understand, once again see the question. Okay. And how I wrote here, don't write like that in exam. Write like this. It by looking at a small problem. If you write like this, these steps also, it will be somewhat big. So you can score how many marks? 6 marks. Clear? Clear, completed, crystal clear. Okay, now what is the next? Giving terms and finding error. This is very common question. For 4 marks I think they will ask. Okay, clear. And this check error also 4 marks. Okay, this completed GP. Actually this chapter is very important, but I bring only important questions. Just I have researched for 2 days for this chapter. Okay, but I can't find any question probably in coordinate geometry. So just we should learn this all. But we will learn, don't worry. Okay, now giving terms and finding other terms. So now here giving terms, finding other term means if second term is this and third term is this, then find the 10th term and find the whole GP, AP or AP. Okay, now what they can give, see here, giving terms and finding other means I should take from book only question. So it will be somewhat easy. Here not are either here, no, it's better question is not there here. So let me see just the question which I have asked in exam. Okay. The sum of fourth term and the sum of fourth term, wait a minute. Now see here. The sum of fourth term and eighth term of an AP is 24. What I told, the sum of fourth term and eighth term of an AP is 24. Sum of fourth term means not SN. Sum of fourth term and eighth term means A4 plus A8. Clear? 8 term only given. A4 plus 8 equals A8 equals to 24. Take as this equation 1. Okay, and second given, sum of sixth term and tenth term is 44. A6 plus A10 equals to 44. Take this as equation 2. You solve direct. How you can solve? I told you that if A3 is there, we can write as A plus 2D, just minus 1. A2 means minus 1. A plus 1D means nothing but D only. Okay, now here A means A. Like this only we will write. Okay, now here A4 is there. How we can write? A plus 3D plus A plus 7D equals to 24. Okay, now A plus A. 2A plus 10D which is equals to 24. Okay, now 2 into I taking 2 common, 2 into A plus 5D equals to 24. Now A plus 5D equals to 12. Take this as equation 3. Clear? Similarly, this also. Okay, similarly, this also. A plus 5D plus A plus 9D which is equals to 44. Okay, now what will come? 2A plus 14D which is equals to 44. Okay, just I'm handling, that's why I'm writing here. Okay, so 2 common, 2 into A plus 7D which is equals to 44, and here A plus 7D which is equals to this 14 by 2, 44 by 2. What is 44 by 2? 22. 22 lena? Yes. Now this is equation 4. Solve equation 1 and 4. Solve equation 3 and 4. Okay, now A plus 5D which is equals to 12, A plus 7D which is equals to 22. Now here minus, I'm doing subtract, here also minus, here also minus, this will be cancelled. This is minus 2D which is equals to minus 10, 10 minus minus cancel, D equals to. Now this D equals to 5, substitute anywhere. Now this D equals to 5. Now this D equals to 5. Either you substitute in A plus 5D or A plus 7D. So better you take 5D because 5 is somewhat easy. Okay. So A plus 5 into 5 equals to 12. Okay. A plus 25 which is equals to first three terms means A1, A2, A3. We got A. We can find A2, A plus D. We can find A3, A plus 2D. So here A plus D means minus 13 plus D is what? 5. Minus 13 plus 5 minus 8. Okay, A plus 2 into D. A plus 2 into 5. What is here A? A plus 2D we will write first. A plus 2D which is nothing but minus 13 plus 2 into 5 which is equals to minus 13 plus 10 which is equals to minus 3. So what is your AP? Minus 13, 8 minus 3. Like this. Clear? Clear? Here what? Here also minus 8 will come na? Okay. Minus 8 minus 3. Clear? So this is the answer. So they can ask you in exam. That's why I have told you. Discussion came many times in exam. Okay. For this we have taken 7 minutes. So just to see fast. So here they given sum of first fourth term and eighth term is 24, and sixth term and tenth term sum is 44. So we can write A4 as A plus 3D and A8 as A plus 7D. So both equals to 24. Take as equation 2. Now A plus 3D, A plus 2D, 2A plus 10D. 2 common means A plus 5D equals to 12. Take as equation 3. Now here second one we can write A6 as A plus 5D, A plus 9D, A plus 2A plus 14D equals to 44. A plus 7 if we take common 2 means A plus 7D equals to 44 by 2 22. A plus 7 equal to both solve, we will get D equals to 5, and this D equals to 5 substitute in 3 or 4, we will get A as minus 13 and find other two terms. We can find A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. But they told you find the first term, second term, third term. So second term, third term. Clear. This was only answer. Now check other question. Okay. After this chapter is completed. Okay. Okay. Now see here. Check whether minus 150 is the, wait, let me see the question. It is there in this. I can't remember question. Check whether which term of an AP is minus 50. Wait. What they given? Check whether 301 is a term of 5, 11, 17, 23, so on. Okay. So this term, we should check that 301 is a term or not. So you take as 301. Okay. Now here an is nothing but 301. Okay. N is we should find. A is nothing but 5. B is nothing but A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, 11 minus 5, it is equals to 6. Clear? Crystal clear? Now we will go to next. Now An is what? 301. 301 which is equals to 5 plus n minus 1 into D. Now 301 which is equals to 5 plus 6n minus 6. Okay. Now here what we can tell that 301 minus 5 which is equals to 6n minus 6. Now 296 which is equals to 6n minus 6. So minus 6 equals to 296 by 6. Oh, sorry. Minus 6n. Okay. 6n equals to So here you will get minus in minus. What you will get 151 by 152 by 3. Okay. N equals to 152 by this you do cancellation here. This you do cancellation here. So here 6n minus 6 equals to 296. So 6n equal to 296 by 6. Clear? 6n equals to 296 by 6. We will get 151 by 3. Okay. 152 by 3. If we got like this, so we can't divide this. In what we will get answer? 3 5s are 15. 0.0 means 0.20 means 3 6 are 18. 5.6 we are getting in points, means it is not a term of any AP. If it is 5, we got 5 is answer, then fifth term of an AP is this. Okay, clear? They can ask minus 150 also. It is nothing but you will get 51, 54, 2 by 3 or something you will get. It is there in your exercise, you can check. Okay, clear? Your chapter is completed. Your chapter is completed. Just nothing. Yes. In 24 minutes, I completed. That's one question. One. Last question. Just let me see the question. 3 root 3 they given. What they given? In G, this is GP question. Root 3, 3, 3 root 3, so on is 729. Okay? Okay? Now what we should find in this, what we should find n value. Okay, which term is 729. Okay, so in GP what is there? A n equals to a r to the power of n minus 1. So we should find first r which is equals to a2 by a1. Okay, a2 by a1, 3 by root 3. Rationalizing with root 3 means 3 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3 cancel root 3. Okay, r equals to root 3. So here a is nothing but root 3. So root 3 into root 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 equals to 729. Okay, now root 3, what we can write? 3 power 1 by 2. Into here also 3 power 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 which is equals to 729. It is 27 square and we can write 27 as 3 cube. 3 cube whole square. So 3 power 6. Like this you should think. Okay, or you can do by like this also by prime factorization. Okay, clear? Now 3 power 1 by 2 into 3 power n minus 1 by 2. Now here see. Now if we do this, what you will get? 3 power 1 by 2 into n minus 1 by 2, which is 3 power n minus 1 by 2 equal to 3 power 6. You can see all bases are equal. Power should be equal. So 1 by 2 plus n minus 1 by 2 which is equals to 6. Okay. Now 1 plus n minus 1 by 2 which is equals to 6. Now here 1 plus n minus 1 which is equals to 12. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, n equals to 12. So 12th term of and this term is 729. Clear? This is the last question in 26 minutes. I think we have completed this chapter. Now let's give. Now we have completed this in 26 minutes. Now we can do this. We can do this chapter very easily, very fast. Okay. 27 minutes complete. Now coordinate geometry trisection. Trisections means 3 sections dividing into 3 parts. In your exam they given 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 7. I think so. Okay. In exam they have given like this something point trisection. Okay. I think so. Let me see. Okay, let it be any point. Okay, now this is point A and this is point B. This point A is 2 comma minus 2 and this is 2 comma minus 7. Now from here trisection means 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, now here you count from A to 1 2. Okay, 1 2 means 2. From here 1. So 2 is to 1. From B to this you take 2 is to 1. We will get 2 is to 1. Sorry. You take from here, so you will get 1 is to this 1 2. If you take from here, you will get 2 is to 1. Clear? And here trisection formula, we need to know section formula first. What is section formula? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by 2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. This is the formula which we have to use. Okay, now here M1 for the first case is what 1 and M2 for the first case is 2. Here inverse. Okay, now here let me put the points. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, now see here, now M1 x1 M1 1 into M1 x2 x2 is what 2 1 plus 2 plus M2 is what here M2 is what 2 into x1 is what here 2 by 2 comma sorry here M1 plus M2. Why I wrote here M1 2? It will be M1 plus M2. Just in fast mode I have written like this. Okay, so M1 plus M2 1 plus 2 comma here M1 y2 there will be same ratio. M1 is what 1, y2 will be what minus 7, 1 into minus 7 plus M2 is what 2 into y1 is what nothing but minus 2 by 1 plus 2. Clear? 2 plus 2 plus 2 to the 4 2 plus 4 6 by 3 comma minus 7 minus 4 by 3 minus 7 plus of minus 7 minus 4 by 3. Now you got 2 comma minus 11 by 3. Just I got minus 11 by 3 because I have didn't took here something I have done change. Okay, so that's why you have got minus 11 by 3. Now in other case you took 2 is to 1. If we take 2 is to 1, what you will get 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 by 3 comma here it will be 2 into minus 7 plus 1 into minus 2 by 3. Now if we do this 4 plus 2 6 by 3 is nothing but 2. Minus 7 minus 14 here minus 2 by 3. So here what you got 2 comma minus 16 by 3. So these are the 2 points. This is 1 point. This is okay. Clear? This is the trisection. Now distance formula. This is very easy. Distance formula. If you didn't understand this question, check once again from starting onwards. You will understand. Okay. Okay. Now distance formula. Distance formula is nothing. Just here it will be point A and B. What is the distance between them? Then you should find. Okay. Suppose we have to go 0 comma 3, 3 comma 0. Find these 2 points distance. Okay. Now this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Now, what is distance formula? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, AB. Okay, AB means A to B distance. AB which is equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 is what here? 3. 3 minus x1 whole square. 3 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus 3 whole square. AB which is equals to here 3 minus 0 3 square 9 plus 9. AB which is equals to root 18 which is nothing but 3 root 2. This is the distance between them. Okay, this is the distance between them. Okay, clear? Distance online nothing but this only. And sometimes they will give here will be a circle and here it will be a distance. So from here to here distance. And if sometimes they will ask from here there is a drawn radius. Now here now you should use midpoint for line. For that x1 sorry. For that we should use x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Clear? Distance completed. This completed. Clear? Distance and this both completed. Now collinear or not? For this you should know the triangle area formula. What is triangle area formula? 1 by 2 into x1 of y2 modulus y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y1 minus y3 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. How we should remember sir this much big formula? There's nothing but here 1 2 3 2 1 3 3 1 2 like this you remember. 1 by 2 is common, modulus is common. Now some give points 0 comma 3 3 comma 0 0 comma 0. These are collinear or not? We should check. Now this is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So this is whole triangle formula for finding collinear. You should equal to 0. Just equal to 0. If this answer we got equal to 0 and this 0 equals to 0, then it is collinear. If 0 not equal to 0, then it is not a collinear. So 1 by 2 into x1. What is x1 here? 0. y2 0 minus y3 0 plus x2. x2 is nothing but 3 into y1 is nothing but 3 minus y3 is nothing but 0 plus x3 is what here? Nothing but 0 into y1 is nothing but 3 minus y2 is nothing but 0. Just check we have done correct or not. X1 is correct. Y2 is correct. Y3 is correct. X2 is 3. X2 is 3, correct. Y1 is 3, correct, correct, correct. Okay. 1 by 2 into 0 means 0, correct. 3 into 3, 9 plus 0. Okay. Correct only now. This whole term will become 0. 0 plus 3 into 3 plus 0. 9. 9. Correct only. Now here modulus means 9 into 1 by 2, which is equals to 0. We know it is not equal to 0. 9 by 2 not equals to 0. We both are equal? No. Means these points are not collinear. Just simple answer completed. Completed. 9 by 2, 4.5 not equals to 0. Therefore, are not collinear. Collinear nothing but two or more lines lie on same point are called collinear points. Okay, completed. Now what is time? 36. Okay, 14 minutes. 14 minutes. We can complete this chapter only 15 minutes. Rectangle or not? They will give some points 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, minus 2. So this form rectangle or not? This will form rectangle or not? Just we should tell that. Can anybody tell? Can anybody tell? So just nothing but you should draw a rectangle. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Like this. Okay. A, B. Okay, we will take like this. A, D, C, D. Okay. Clear? This is A point, this is B point, this is C point, this is D point. Now A point is 2, 2. D point is 1, minus 2. And B point is 1, 2. C point is 3, 2. Now just you draw a diagonal. Diagonals mean, dividing triangle into, what we told, dividing any, what will tell, shape into two parts by diagonal. Parts by diagonal, cutting like this. Okay. Now find distance of D to B, A to C, A to D, D to C, C to B, B to A. Okay, you will get. So first you find AB. AB distance is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square. X2 x2 is nothing but 1. 1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square 1. Root 1 will be 1. It will be 0. Okay. Now AD. AD is nothing but, I am writing that, not formula. So 1 minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus 2 whole square. So minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus 16. Okay. So minus root 17. Okay. Now BC. BC is nothing but 3 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square. So this is root 4, it will be 2. Means 3 minus 1, 2. 2 square 4. Root 4 will be 2. This will be 0. Now BC completed. Now DC. DC means 3 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. Okay, 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. Here, wait, we have done some mistake. Minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0, minus 1, 1. Root 1 will be 1. Okay, clear? Now here completed. Now here see 3 minus 1, 2 square is 4. 4 plus 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. So here minus 4 plus 4 cancel 2. Root 2. Correct only. One step. This will be 3 minus 1 to 2 square 4. 4 plus 2 minus 4. Correct only. Root 2. Now like that only you find the DB, AC. Okay. Like that only similarly you find all. If we are getting these sides, corresponding sides are equal, then it is rectangle. And we have seen that AD. AD is equals to what? Root 1. BC equals to what? 2. They are equal? No, not equal. Just you check once in your calculation. If it is their mistake, just comment in video. Okay? Clear? Just comment in this video. Okay? Clear? Clear? you just find this. If we are getting properties, you know, square, rhombus, anything properties means by properties we can do in rectangle. What we will tell, these corresponding sides will be equal, like that. If we know properties, you can do. Okay, now centroid and midpoint. Okay, like that. In centroid, they have changed the question by confusing that. These are 2 comma 2, 1 comma 2. These are x comma y. And their centroid we got as 5 by 3 comma 6 by 4. Okay, 6 by 4, not minus 5 by 3. What is the value of x plus y? X and y. So how we can do? Their centroids are this. Means that these are centroids. But what are the values of x and y? So how we can do this? Simple, nothing but 2 plus 1. X1 plus, what is centroid formula? G, it is denoted with D, G. X1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Simple. Now G, which is equals to x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 plus x3, 2 plus 1 plus x by 3, which is equals to 5 by 3. Okay, y1 plus y2 plus y3, y1 2 plus y2 2 plus y by 3, which is equals to minus 5 by 3. Now here 2 plus 1, 3 plus x by 3, which is equals to 5 by 3. Okay, now 3 9 plus 3x, which is equals to 15. 3x, which is equals to 15 minus 9. 3x will be equals to 15 minus 9. 6x equals to 2. X equals to 2. Here if we do 4 plus y by 3, which is equals to minus 5 by 3. Okay, now 3. Now 3 4s are 12 plus 3y, which is equals to minus 15. 3y equals to minus 15 minus 12. 3y equals to minus 27. Y equals to minus 9. So 2 comma minus 9. There is a third x3 and y3. So there are the values 2 comma minus 9. Completed. Now from I told you that how to use midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, find midpoint. And last one is, there is no chance, but you don't neglect it, just take and go this thing. Area of triangle, yes, I forget this area of triangle. How? And one more thing is what we call that, just now, just you first you do this, after that midpoint. Now midpoint is one point is 2 comma 2 and one point is minus 2 comma minus 2. Find midpoint. What is midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, x1 plus x2 2 minus 2 0 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 2 minus 2 0 by 2, 0 by 2 comma 0 by 2 0 comma 0. So this is the midpoint. Okay, clear.